Hey fam, how is everyone doing today? Good, because I am back and thank you so much for joining Cooking with Miss Jonesy. Or you can call me Miss Jones. But anywho, today we have a healthy recipe, yes, with chicken. So yeah, it's a recipe for chicken. And it's a more healthier approach because it's oven baked. Okay, so let me say that following this video, you guys, you definitely want to go check out my green recipe that's also healthy, and it makes a very tasty and delicious recipe. So yeah, with this, let's go ahead and get into the video. So if you're ready for this video, come on in the kitchen. Okay, so guys, we have an affordable pack of leg quarters, and I caught it for $3.69. You guys, $3.69. Let me show you. I thought that was a reasonable deal. Now, let me show you. Okay, so yeah, we caught it for $3.69. So I decided, let me go ahead and make a video. Now, I'm not gonna say this is my favorite part of the chicken, but I definitely want to show you guys how to clean it. So as you see, I am removing fat, okay? Fat. We're removing the fat, and we're gonna remove the guts, okay? This is your guts right here. Now, most people does not clean that, but I do, okay? Because to me, it makes a more tastier chicken. Now, by all means, you can cut off the tail, right? That's your choice, and that's optional, okay? But for the most part, Miss Jones cut it off. Okay, now I love the skin on chicken, long as it does not have the hairy part. You know what I mean? Okay, so, well, you know, that's optional for some people. And sometimes, depending on what store you go to, sometimes they cut it off as well. So I know it's been a minute, you guys, so if you can check out my channel and share my videos, I will really appreciate it. And if you're a first-time viewer, thank you so much. Okay, now I know a lot of you guys probably saying to yourself, she's cooking with her nails. Yes, I only cook with my nails when I'm cooking for my family, my household, you know, my kids. But yeah, I want to remove all of this fat. Even though some of the fat does give juicy flavors to your chicken or whatever you're cooking, right? I'm trying to be extra careful, you guys. So yeah, you want to keep that in mind whenever cooking, because I want to take that tail off. And I want to remove this chicken. So we have good 3 pieces. I mean, already clean. And I'm just gonna clean the rest of them, and I'll be back with the next process. So fam, as you can tell, I have my chicken all washed and clean. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put some seasoning on here. Now first, well, let's go with the first seasoning. Now I have some sweet and tangy seasoning, right? So this is my first time trying it. So I got to see what it's about, you guys. I got to see what it's about, right? Let's go ahead and get into the seasoning. Now, if you've tried this seasoning before, tell me how you like it. Okay? I would love to know. Because this is my first time using it. And by purchasing it, of course. And I just want to see what it's all about. So we're going to put plenty on here because we want that hot and tangy. Okay? That hot and tangy seasoning. Okay. We're going to mix this seasoning right on up. Now, I forgot. I got to put my olive oil. It doesn't matter if you put your olive oil on in front of the seasoning or behind the seasoning, because it's still gonna come out crispy, right? And we got us some herb and garlic seasoning. See, now this is gonna make a good recipe for this chicken, and if you ask me, healthier approach, you know, healthy recipes, you guys. I love to mix up flavors. Yes. If you're a mix-up flavor kind of gal, let me know. So this is a garlic and herb seasoning. And we just gonna put little meat tenderizer, right? Now, meat tenderizer is always best, right? When you're doing meats. I don't care if it's chicken, if it's pork, because I'm from the old school, okay? That's how we do recipes. Okay, all of this new recipes, it's fine and dandy. I mean, do what you want. Okay. So we're gonna go and put some olive oil on here, just like that. We're gonna get back in here and we're gonna mix it up. Because we don't have any Pam. And if you don't have any Pam, or you can't remember to get the Pam, always have your bottle of olive oil, right? Whether it's flavor olive oil or whatever, you'd be surprised. Now, I thought I mixed my seasoning. Yes, I clicked my finger to get some of that seasoning off there. Now, we also have some veggies, right? Well, just a few. Some onions. We're going to put some onions in this. And we're going to put some peppers in here. Green peppers. Let's put a few more onions, right? You never could go wrong, okay? Because we want to mix it with the seasoning. And put the seasoning all over it. You don't need to put extra seasoning. Oh my goodness, you guys. Yes. Okay. Let's bring our pan over here, because I want to show you guys how I'm going to layer this. Okay, excuse me for moving, you guys. Okay, so we're going to put our lid quarters on here, just like that, right? Just like that. We're going to put our lid quarters on here. Oh, that already smells so delicious. You can already smell the flavor. I like that. Okay, and we do it just like that, right? So now, all of that good seasoning is on the onion and bell peppers. We're going to put it just like that. Just like that. Now, this is, when I tell you, I think it's a healthier choice. But hey, who am I, right? Who am I? Tell me if you would try this recipe. Or have you ever tried it? Let me rinse out my bowl. I never like to leave my seasoning or my bowls in behind. Be careful, because I got that meat right there. But hey, that's Miss Jones, okay? Miss Jones like to keep her kitchen clean. So we have our oven on 350. We have our oven on 350. So let me reach over here and give me some paper towel. And we're gonna slide this into the oven. We're gonna slide this until approximately 1 hour, and we're gonna check on it, okay? Hey fam, I forgot to put my lemon on my chicken. So I wanted to put my lemon right here on each chicken. Now that is optional, right? Can you guys see? Let me move you back a little bit. That is optional. But I had cut up these lemons because I wanted some lemon on these chicken quarters. Well, let's turn that around because it's still good, okay? I didn't know. I thought I could have cut up enough, y'all. Now don't try this at home, especially if you're not good with the knife. I hate when the lemons are so thick. And we're going to put it on the last one. And we're just going to squeeze some lemon juice on each one of these chickens. Just like that. Now we're going to slide this into the oven. So fam, here is our oven baked chicken. Our leg quarters. Yes, it's a great chicken recipe. You guys, yes, I got my fork ready, okay? Now this is fresh out the oven. Fresh out the oven, guys. Check it out. So yeah, I'm gonna try this recipe because I really want to see what this season was about. You guys, let's check it out. Okay. I'm just making sure it peels up off the foil. Because like I said, when you don't have ham or anything like that, you can always use olive oil. And as you see, we just picked up very well. Okay. So do I want to go in here for me a good bite? Let me go in here for a good bite, right? Oh, yes, this chicken is nice and tender. Let's see what is it? Get a little juice right there. Sweet and tangy barbecue season is all about. So I don't want to eat over the chicken. So I'm gonna go this way with it. Let's see. Let's put it this way. Here go, you guys. Check out the first bite. How's it tasting? Okay. So, if you're a viewer for the first time, thank you. And if you're a long-time rider, thank you so much. And you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. And I will love to correspond, so make sure you leave comments. Yes. So, it's a quick way for oven baked chicken. An easy recipe. Don't forget to check out other many recipes that I have. And healthy recipe. That is so good. It's delicious. As you see, I didn't use a lot of seasoning. I just wanted to check this seasoning out, and it turned out perfect. So, you guys, Well, fam, because you know I keep mixing you up. Don't forget to check out the collard green recipe for me. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Sending much love from my house to yours. Bye-bye.